Okay, kids, here we go. We got a new toy. Oh boy, oh my goodness. Where are you guys? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. We got the big old bouncer.
This is how we do it, clown style. Love you.
Okay guys, have fun, be careful.
Don't bounce into each other.